If your WeChat account is frozen, consider to stay tuned to this video and see proper steps you need to take to unfreeze or unblock your frozen WeChat account without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, you want to make sure you open up your browser. So you can use whatever browser available to you on your phone. In this tutorial, I'm using Chrome browser. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Chrome browser. Then after you open up your browser, next thing you want to do, simply click on this plus sign right here. What you want to do here is to create a new tab. Then click on search Google right here. Simply type in WeChat and hit enter. And it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on the first result, which is WeChat.com. That is the official website of WeChat. And this is where you can connect and solve any problem as far as your WeChat is concerned. Then scroll down right here until you get to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Go ahead and click on my account. So click on my account right here. Then here you go. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on my account again. Then scroll down right here. Scroll down right here. And make sure you click on security right here. And here you go. Then you have another article right here. How do I freeze or unfreeze my account? Go ahead and click on here. And then scroll down right here. And then go ahead and click on if the issue is not resolved, you may tap here to contact us for further assistance. Click on tap here. And you will be reconnected to WeChat feedback facility right here. To facilitate communication with WeChat's customer support team, please describe your issue and provide your contact information. Go ahead and enter the WeChat ID that got freeze. So for an example, I'm going to enter a number right here. Then select problem category. So here, your account is freeze and you want to unfreeze your account. Then go ahead and simply click on unfreeze account. Then describe the issue right here. I want to unfreeze account. Then scroll down right here. Select your region. So here, these are the available countries as at the time of making this video that are using WeChat. Select your country. Once you select your country, enter the WeChat account number that got freeze. So for example, I'm going to enter a random number. Then scroll down right here and make sure you enter the email address they can use to connect with you. So go ahead and enter an email address. So example mail at gmail.com. Once you are done, the next thing you want to do is to simply hit on next right here. And your feedback is going to be sent. In a few days or hours, WeChat is going to get back to you with the provided email right here. Make sure you submit your detail comprehensively to help you further to recover or unfreeze your WeChat account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.